Hey, what's up guys? It's Derek at Midwest Aftermarket. We're doing another product install video today on a set of cabin air filters from K&N. This is going to be on our Jeep JK. These particular air filters are going to fit our 2011 and up Jeep JKs. It's a really simple install. There's no tools needed. It's super quick and easy. It's going to take us about maybe 5 or 10 minutes to do. It's really easy. It's going to help give your Jeep the HVAC system in it a nice clean air filtration and help any passengers you guys have get clean air. So a lot of the Jeep JKs, they'll either have no filters or they'll have just a stock paper OEM filter. So if you guys have that, when you guys want to swap these out, just simply toss them away. These ones are washable and reusable. So it's essentially the last filter you're ever going to need for your cabin air filter. So let's get it installed. It'll be really quick and easy. All right, guys, first thing we want to do is simply open up our glove box. And then on either side of the glove box here, where the plastic is at, we're just going to pinch inward. And it's going to fall right out, nice and easy. So now we've got access to the interior here where we can actually use and replace our new air filters. So with our air filter, we've got the instructions and we've got the 2 air filters that are going to fit in there. It's really quick and easy to get these installed. So let's get them put into their correct places. All right, guys, now that we actually have the glove box out of our vehicle and it's out of the way, this flap right here, if you guys can see, we're going to just pull on this tab a little bit down and open it up. That way we actually have where our filters need to go. They're going to go right here. And if for some reason this white guard that you'll see right in this area, if that white guard is down covering this, what you'll want to do is turn your key to the accessory and then you'll push your filtration, your air filtration button on your air conditioning, and that will open up that air filter unit. So keep that in mind, guys. So now that we have ours open, we just simply need to take one of our filters, slide it right in, and then we're going to slide it over to the right. That way it's out of the way. And then we're going to take our other filter out of the packaging. Now remember, you're using both filters here. So we're going to take our other filter and do the same thing. We're going to slide it right in on the left of the other one. So they're just going to both sit nice and neat right there. Super quick and easy. Nice and simple. And then we're going to close up that latch there for our air filtration unit, and we'll get our glove box back on and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, there we have it. Really quick and easy, a painless install. We got our glove box back in there. Again, no tools needed at all. It's about a 5-minute install. It's really quick and easy. The part number for this is VF1010. It's running for $59.99 on our website. Again, it's going to fit our 2011 and up Jeep JKs. It's a really quick and easy install. Just drop your glove box down and get those filters installed. It's quick and painless. It's kind of a neat thing that really goes unlooked to help maintain the life and quality of the air and the quality of your vehicle. So it's really quick and easy. And it's a great install that's going to give you some longevity for your vehicle. If you guys got any questions or saw something we missed in this install video, please let us know if you guys got questions or anything like that. It'll really help us out to make this video better and help you guys learn more. So if you guys got any other questions on the K&N cabin air filters, their panel filters, or their air intake systems, hit us up and let us know what's going on. Make sure to follow us as well on all of our social media, our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, and our Snapchat, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, because it'll really help us out and grow our channel to put out more content like this. So if you guys got any other questions on any other products from K&N, give us a call or check out MidwestAftermarket.com.